Our collective efforts to bring the initial shipments of the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine to Canadian has been a success, and the first deliveries went exactly according to plan. The National Operations Center at the Public Health Agency had positive in-transit visibility on each shipment. The level of cooperation between Pfizer-BioNTech, the logistics service provider, UPS, and the Canadian Border Service Agency was excellent throughout. More shipments of the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine are coming in the weeks and months ahead, as announced earlier. Provinces are scaling up, moving to scale up to around 70 points of use based on vaccine availability and their individual immunization strategies. Additional ultra-low temperature and points of distribution are being added to the cold chain to allow the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccines to be administered at more points of use, and thousands more people are being trained to prepare and administer the vaccine. Let me move on to the next planning effort that's now underway. We're taking deliberate steps to ensure the safe and efficient distribution of the Moderna vaccine candidate across the country, including our Indigenous communities, once Health Canada has completed the regulatory review process. This past weekend, 5 -20 freezers procured by the Public Health Agency of Canada were delivered by the Canadian Armed Forces to our territories. These freezers will support the cold chain requirements for the Moderna vaccine and build the capacity of territorial health organizations to immunize people within their jurisdiction. Provinces and territories already have the ancillary equipment in their possession, including all the needles, the syringes, the different protective equipment on hand for the first quarter of 2021. A dry run is ongoing, similar to what we did last week, to confirm the ordering, the importation, and shipping processes for the Moderna vaccine. The rehearsals of this nature are part of a deliberate and phased approach to readiness in advance of an authorization decision from Health Canada on vaccine candidates. So we'll deliver the Moderna vaccine to the locations specified by provinces and territories so that they can commence immunization as quickly as possible once it's approved and available. Working with all our partners and stakeholders, we continue to enhance the readiness, meanwhile, build capacity, and develop innovative ways to deliver the vaccines to all Canadians.